today I want to do some Victoria's Secret pink mini haul. I've got few things. First item that I've got, it was some time ago, like a few months, and I've got this long sleeve t-shirt, which is like, I think it's crew neck, and it was on sale, and I had coupon code, but it was few months ago, so I don't remember, but it was like 10 bucks or something, or even less. And it has this kind of peachy color, which I really like, and it's more for summer and lighter parts of the year. And in front it has this pink logo, and it says Love Pink, and the bag is simple like this, and it has some scrunchy material in the bottom and the sleeves here, and it originally was 35, wow, but I think I got it for 7 bucks because I had some coupon. I had coupon code, cause Pink gave me some coupon code for 15 bucks and it was on sale. Yeah, so this, and then I've got lately few things. So here is the bag in which the things came in, and I've got few sweatpants and one hoodie. So the first ones, let's open them. Sweatpants. It looks like, so they are in this pink Magneta color, and they just classic sweatpants. We have some scrunchy like gum here, but we also have this drawstring that you can regulate your waist, and inside we have this fleece material, so I prefer sweatpants when they have this fleece instead of terry. And what else? They are in size large. And at the bottom we have this scrunchy, I mean also some kind of gum, which I like in sweatpants. And they are relax fit. Like so. I will try them on. Sweatpants that I've got are here, so it looks like so. Actually, I thought that color would be a little lighter, because on the website it was light lilac, and this color looks a little darker, like it's dimmed, so I don't really like it. I think I will return them, because color is not the same, and yeah, it looks like they are dimmed. The same fit. I will not even try them on, because I think better to not try them on. They are also large and looks like this. They have this regulated part on the bottom, on the top, and you can here cinch it in, and they have this pink logo on one leg, and here regulated, I mean scrunchy thing, I don't know how to call it, and inside is nice nice fleece, soft one. So I like this kind more than the French terry one. And yeah, so this I don't think will keep, because I thought it would be light color like on the side. Next item is also sweatpants, as I wanted some for winter and fall, so I picked up, because it was promotional, so pick up this color, which is grey, ever grey, something like that. It's the same model, but I think it's nice. I have hoodie from this material, which is nice and soft here, and I have hoodie, 2 hoodies actually from this material, so they are really warm for winter. So these ones I will keep, and they have here logo pink somewhere. Oh, here, small one, and they also have here on the leg more big one logo, like so. And they have this scrunchy thing. Yeah, nice color, not so bright. So this I think I keep. And last thing I wanted to show is the hoodie. So last thing is a hoodie. Let me open it. It's also looking like so. It's in this pink fuchsia. It looks like so. I've got mine in size large, and it's actually a nice hoodie, but I read some reviews after I purchased it that is around small, not sure. And it has hold to things to cinch it, and pocket here, and some elastic band here, and it's nice and fluffy on the inside. I like the fluffy material inside. Yeah, but the reviewers were saying it's tight fit, and it's really tight fit. So it looks like so. It's short actually. Actually, sleeves are fine. But here is little flat, see, and I'm already really hot in it. I don't like when it's too flat here, and it flattens my boobs, and here is tight. I don't know if I keep, but it's a nice hoodie, but it's little too much, maybe too strong color, I don't know. This hoodie is a little tight, so I think I will return it. So yeah, that's all what I've got today and wanted to show you. If you like such videos, then give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos, as I think I want to do more in future. So see you in the next one. Bye.